Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You open Settings and go straight to Mail, then Accounts. Don't waste time on background details. Tap the Gmail/Google account you want to stop syncing. Once selected, you'll see toggles for Mail, Contacts, Calendars. Make sure you're signed into the device and can authenticate if prompted. This first step locates the source of sync. Now prepare to turn off syncing for Mail specifically so messages stop appearing in the iOS Mail app immediately. With the account open, flip the Mail toggle to off. Do it deliberately so only Mail sync stops while other services can remain. When asked, pick whether to keep previously downloaded messages on device or remove them. Remove if you want full stop. Once done, iOS will stop fetching messages from that Gmail account. Make sure to return to Mail app and swipe to refresh to verify no new messages arrive. If you use the Gmail app separately, leave it signed in or sign out there as needed. To finish, open the iOS Mail app and confirm Gmail messages no longer appear. That proves sync is off. If any messages persist or sync resumes, remove the Gmail account completely from Settings, right arrow Mail, right arrow Accounts, then add it back later with Mail toggled off. If you must use the Gmail app, sign out there to fully stop Google background sync. Troubleshooting tip: if toggles revert, check Device Profile, MDM, or Gmail app settings. Those can enforce sync and need removal or admin change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.